Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Product. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best compressed air duster with brushless motor to help you find a powerful and reusable cleaning solution for your home, office, or car. Let's get started. Let's begin with number 5, the Ohokar compressed air duster with brushless motor. The Ohokar compressed air duster with brushless motor packs serious cleaning strength into a premium package. Its 160 watts ultra-powerful brushless motor spins at 150,000 revolutions per minute and gives you 4 adjustable speeds so you can match the perfect force for any job. It blows away dust from electronics, debris from workbenches, and crumbs from mechanical keyboards with impressive ease. The premium aluminum body helps dissipate heat faster for better motor life and reduces vibration for a stable, comfortable grip during use. Even with this solid all-metal construction, the duster stays surprisingly lightweight at just 0.69 pounds and compact with dimensions of 2.4 inches by 1.46 inches by 5.87 inches, making it easy to hold and carry wherever you need it. A 29.6 watt-hour battery with multi-layer protection delivers up to 70 minutes of runtime on the low setting. Switch to turbo mode and you get full 150,000 revolutions per minute and 160 watts of power for 11 minutes of intense, non-stop cleaning. This is roughly 3 times the performance of many standard air blowers that lose power quickly. It supports fast 18 watts USB Type-C charging, and the crystal clear LED display shows your current power level and exact battery percentage when idle. An automatic shutoff after 60 seconds of inactivity helps save power if you set it down and forget. The versatile 3-nozzle system and 2 handheld brushes give you plenty of options. Use the short nozzle for maximum power, the 5.5-inch long nozzle to reach deep into corners, and the inflating nozzle for swim rings and toys. Pair them with the soft brush for gentle surfaces or the stiff one for deeper cleaning. This setup works wonderfully on keyboards, personal computers, electronics, home spaces, and car interiors. The Ohokar compressed air duster with brushless motor combines robust performance, smart battery technology, and thoughtful design into one lightweight and reliable tool that makes everyday cleaning faster and more effective. Up next, at number 4, is the Yoyoto compressed air duster with brushless motor. The Yoyoto compressed air duster with brushless motor gives you serious cleaning power without relying on those wasteful disposable cans. This handy tool runs on a strong brushless motor that spins at 150,000 revolutions per minute, pushing out an impressive 52 meters per second airflow and up to 250 G of wind force with 150 watts peak power. It easily blasts away dust and debris from tricky spots like keyboards, vents, and device crevices so your gadgets and home stay spotless. You get 4 adjustable speeds that make it super versatile. Pick a gentle setting for delicate electronics, or crank it up for tougher household surfaces and car interiors. The highest level sends a focused, powerful stream that clears out computer internals and vents in seconds, while the lower ones give you the precision you need without any risk of damage. It truly feels like a professional tool right in your hand. The kit comes with 4 specialized nozzles and 10 multi-purpose brushes that open up so many cleaning possibilities. Whether you are tackling sensitive electronics, narrow household gaps, car seats, or even outdoor gear, these attachments help you reach everywhere and get the job done right. No task feels too big or too small with this setup. A clear built-in LED display keeps everything visible at a glance, showing your battery level and current power setting. You stay fully in control, avoid surprise power downs, and enjoy a smooth cleaning session every time. Power comes from a reliable 5,200 mAh battery that delivers between 15 and 60 minutes of runtime, stretching up to 90 minutes on the lowest speed. It supports fast USB Type-C charging from your computer, power bank, or car charger, making it convenient wherever you are. Plus, the smart chip inside provides multiple layers of protection for safe, long-term use. An integrated LED light shines right where you need it, revealing hidden dust in dark corners so you can blow it all away completely. You will not miss any spots, and every clean feels thorough and satisfying. Even with all this strength, the Yoyoto compressed air duster stays amazingly light at just 0.49 pounds and compact enough to fit in your palm. It slips easily into a backpack or toolbox thanks to the included storage bag. A long press on the power button turns it on or off, and you can quickly switch between the 4 gear settings with a simple button press. Double-click to activate the light whenever you need extra visibility. Now, let's move on to number 3, the Ahnr compressed air duster with brushless motor. The Ahnr compressed air duster with brushless motor delivers real cleaning power that makes dusty gadgets and surfaces feel brand new again. It features a strong brushless motor spinning at 160,000 revolutions per minute, creating up to 300 grams of blowing force and a maximum wind speed of 62 meters per second. This lets you quickly clear away dust and debris from all kinds of spots without any hassle. You can choose from 3 adjustable speed settings to match whatever you are cleaning, use a lower gear for delicate electronics so nothing gets damaged, or switch to higher power for stubborn dirt on tougher surfaces. It gives you the perfect amount of control for every task. The package includes 4 detachable nozzles and 4 precision brushes that make this tool incredibly versatile. It works great on computer keyboards, device hosts, car air vents, rearview mirrors, and sofa crumbs. You can also use it to inflate camping gear, help manage bonfires, or even dry pet hair, turning it into a true all-in-one helper for your home and adventures. A large 6,000 mAh battery keeps things running for up to 60 minutes on the first gear, and it fully charges through USB Type-C in just 2.5 hours. The clear electronic display shows your remaining battery level at a glance, so you always know when to top it up and cleaning sessions stay uninterrupted. This air duster is built from durable ABS composite material with a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Unlike single-use compressed air cans, it saves you money over time while releasing only dry and stable airflow that protects sensitive devices from moisture damage. It combines smart technology with an eco-friendly approach that feels good to use every time. Despite its impressive strength, the Ahnr compressed air duster stays impressively lightweight at just 0.65 pounds. Its compact size and ergonomic grip fit comfortably in your palm, making it easy to store in a toolbox, tote bag, or even a pocket. You will love how portable and convenient it feels for everyday cleaning jobs. Just one step away from the top, at number 2, is the Zozoo compressed air duster with brushless motor. The Zozoo compressed air duster with brushless motor brings powerful and precise cleaning right to your fingertips. It reaches speeds of up to 180,000 revolutions per minute, making it easy to sweep away dust and impurities from all sorts of surfaces. The stepless speed regulation lets you fine-tune the airflow exactly how you need it, from gentle touches for sensitive items to stronger blasts for heavier dirt. This electric air duster charges quickly through USB Type-C and reaches a full charge in just 3.5 hours. It can run continuously for up to 80 minutes on the lowest wind speed, and you have 4 different charging options to fit any situation, whether at home, in the car, or on the go. The kit includes 3 nozzles and 3 brushes that expand its uses across many different scenarios. You can clean dust from computers and keyboards, inflate swimming rings and rubber boats, clear fallen leaves or snow off car windshields, and even help with barbecues when you need a steady stream of air. It handles indoor cleaning, outdoor adventures, and car maintenance with equal ease. Weighing only 0.66 pounds, this compact air duster feels comfortable in one hand and slips easily into bags or toolboxes for travel. Its small size makes it perfect for quick jobs without any bulk or hassle. Compared to disposable air cans, the Zozoo model is fully reusable and built to last. The shell uses high-quality stainless steel for extra durability, and it comes equipped with 3 large-capacity, long-lasting batteries that support repeated use over a long time. This rechargeable design saves money while delivering consistent, dry airflow that keeps your devices safe and clean every time. The Zozoo compressed air duster with brushless motor combines strong performance, smart charging, and practical versatility into one lightweight and reliable tool you will reach for again and again. And our best overall choice at number 1 is the Vasson Compressed Air Duster with Brushless Motor. The Vasson Compressed Air Duster with Brushless Motor offers strong, reliable power that replaces messy disposable cans for good. Its brushless motor spins up to 260,000 revolutions per minute, delivering a maximum airflow speed of 45 meters per second and 260 grams of blowing force. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it makes quick work of dust on keyboards, computer vents, car AC outlets, and those tight, hard-to-reach corners around your home and devices. This versatile tool comes with 5 nozzles, 1 brush, and a handy storage bag, turning it into your go-to helper for many tasks. You can clean window frames, rear-view mirrors, and sofa crumbs, gently dry pet fur, inflate airbeds and pool floats, get a barbecue going, blow snow off your car, or even use it as a personal cooling fan on warm days. It truly handles everything from indoor cleaning and car care to outdoor adventures and pet grooming. The Vasson Compressed Air Duster stays cordless and lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, small enough to tuck into a pocket or toolbox. Being rechargeable and reusable makes it an economical and eco-friendly choice that lasts for years without constantly buying new cans. It supports USB Type-C fast charging that brings it to full power in 3 hours. On the lowest gear, you get up to 150 minutes of runtime, and you can easily top it up using a power bank, laptop, or car charger for on-the-go convenience. For best results, fully charge it before the first use. Safety features add extra peace of mind with smart overheat protection and a comfortable liquid silicone handle. It works well in temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Simply use a 5 volts 2 amperes charger to avoid triggering the protection mode. A quick press and hold for 3 seconds turns the unit on or off, which helps prevent accidental activation while keeping operation smooth and secure. The Vasson Compressed Air Duster with Brushless Motor combines impressive power, thoughtful accessories, and easy portability into one practical tool that simplifies cleaning around the house, in the car, and beyond. Thanks for watching. Check the price link in the description to find the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video and want more product recommendations, like and subscribe to Tech Product.